Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a really cool product that I saw at CES. This is the Mooni Take Me Speaker Lantern. Let's go ahead and check it out. So while we were at Vegas, we actually stopped by the booth and saw several devices, and one of the ones that really caught our attention was the Take Me Speaker Lantern. So this is a lantern, rechargeable lantern, that not only is going to illuminate the area that you're in, especially obviously at nighttime, but it's also going to allow you to take your music with you portably. Let's take a look at some of the features. We'll do the unboxing and we'll see how it sounds. Now, before doing the unboxing, let's take a look at some of the features that are really highlighted and set this lantern apart from the others that we saw at the show and that you can find online. First of all, you do have the ability to see 9 different colors, 21 dimmable LEDs, and 5 different light modes. So you're going to have a solid, a flash, a strobe, a fade, and then also a smooth. So let's just cover some of the basic specs before we go into all these different light combinations or battery duration based on usage. 10-watt speaker, can be used inside and out. 50-foot range on the Bluetooth, and it has a rechargeable battery. Now, depending on how to use it, if you just use the light, it's 8 to 10 hours lifetime. So if you want to use this while camping or just to set the mood when you're outside in your patio, you do get, if you have the light and the music going, 3 to 4 hours. It's going to take you 4 to 5 hours to charge if you're using this in an AC adapter, or if you're actually plugging it in via USB, 4 to 8 hours. So a lot of different charging rates as well as battery life based on your usage. So in addition to the speaker and a user guide, you're going to find a remote control. You have a micro USB charging cable, as you can see right there, and then you have a power brick. So what takes up the most space is going to be the lighting mechanism. So what you see right here is kind of like a diffused plastic that's going to allow the light to come through in the various colors that we spoke about. It does have a handle here that you'll be able to use to carry and move it with you. Speakers on the top, and really the speaker doesn't really take up that much space. It's more of the lighting effect that you're going to get. On the bottom here, you're going to have your power button, and then you have your charging port. All in all, very simple design, and it's all about music and setting the mood. Now, as soon as you power up the speaker does have voice feedback, so you'll get power on. And because the speaker is facing upwards, it's very much a booming speaker. You can see how it's right now cycling through all the colors. I'm going to lower the lights in my studio so that you can see how it pops, because right now it doesn't seem to be filling the entire speaker, and that's because we have some direct lighting. So let's go ahead and check that out. Alright, so this should give you a better idea of what the light looks like. So really nice, completely filled. I do have a source behind me, a source light. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it like this so you can see the overall effect. Really nice. I think that this would look well as a centerpiece, especially if you're out camping or if you're in your patio and you have a patio set. Regardless of where you put it, it's going to stand out, and really like the different colors and how well they come through. So you can see right there, pretty bright. Now with the included remote, you can cycle through the colors. So you'll see I'm just going to press this button right here, and you can see how I can manually cycle through them. Really nice. And it's very responsive. Now let's check some of the modes. So I'm just going to press the mode button so you can see the different treatments that you're going to get. So let's go ahead and press one mode, and we'll see what this looks like. This is a standard switch. Press the mode again. Okay, so this is the breathing one. You can see how it's breathing through each color. Here you have this one. It's almost like a party light. Looks pretty cool. And once again, you can control or go to the individual color with that specific mode. Now you're going to get feedback throughout the entire process. So as you try to use the speakers, if the speaker isn't connected, you're going to get a audible voice telling you that the speaker is not connected. Once it's connected, it's going to give you that audible control as well. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be switching audio sources so you can hear what I hear from the actual speaker, so you can get a sense of how it sounds. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now with the audio source changed, what we're going to do is I'm just going to put the speaker here on the side so you can see what's happening. We're going to turn on the volume or play the tunes. We're going to go from low to high, and then I'm also going to face the speaker upward so we can get all the sound. So let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and raise the volume. let's go ahead and try something a little bit different. And as soon as you stop the music, the actual light pattern changes back. So let's go ahead and choose something that should go well with the speaker and the lights. So that's full blast. I think what really helps the speaker, the fact that it has a 10-watt speaker, you wouldn't expect it to be this loud, but because it's facing upwards, as you can see here, and this is a downward shot, it really does a nice job with the size of the speaker. And then also just the LED light display is pretty cool as well. Let's try a couple more. Again, just sounds great. No distortion. Let's try one more, and then you can see that the lights go back to normal. And you can play music without the lights too. I just have them on because I think that's the cool part of this speaker. Let's go ahead and raise that volume. So there's definitely something going on here. It looks like there's a mic is picking up the actual the beats that are coming through, and then the speaker with the lights is reacting to it, because right now I have the same song still playing, but the volume is completely off. We're going to raise the volume, and then you're going to see how as the volume comes up, the pattern in the speaker changes. Okay. So definitely there's a pattern that's being recognized by the beat of the music playing from some type of mic system inside of the speaker, and it's giving you that really cool effect. But as you can see, hey, this would be a cool speaker for any party, either for your home or if you're going camping. Now this last shot is of the speaker playing music, but with the lights off. So there you have it. That was the Mooni Take Me Speaker Lantern. If you have any comments, questions, comment area, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.